Thank you to DistroKid for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. Hey, welcome back to another video. I'm Ivan Calderon, and today we're making a beat. Okay, so today we're making a beat for my upcoming EP, Beat EP for March. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm doing a crazy challenge where I'm releasing a new Beat EP every month for the rest of the year, and if you want to learn more about that, check out this video here. Now, this specific EP is having more of like an R&B ballad type of vibe. Now, nothing is ever absolute with me because I tend to integrate a lot of parts from different genres, but for the most part, this is the vibe that we're going for, and that is exactly what I'm going to try to create today. Now, even though recently I've been using the Atom SQ, which I've been loving, I think for this beat I actually want to start out with that big keyboard over there, because I want to see if I can come up with a composition with both of my hands. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, jumping back into Studio One, this is the part that I just recorded, and it sounds like this. Now this is basically just like 3 chords max with a slight variation on the last half, but what I think I want to do from here is maybe switch up that sound, probably bring in like a Rhodes of some sort. So let's go back over to, let's go to Arturia. I cannot recommend the Arturia plugins enough. They are amazing. Let me bring in this stage 73, and that should sound. Let's go through a couple presets, see if we find anything else. That's cool. Oh. No, I think I like that first one. Ooh, with this chorus effect, it sounds kind of cool. I might switch it later, I don't know. Usually when it comes to beat making videos like this, I tend to usually just get the basic idea, the skeleton, and then usually I come back later to like lush it up, but let's keep going. I think I like this. Okay, now that we have this down, let's move on to the drums. I do want to come back to this melodic section, but I kind of want to get the drums down first. Okay, for this I'm going to use my macro toolbar, link down below if you're interested. But let's do a snare. I'm using impact, so I want that and snare on 3. Oh, maybe a snap. That sounds kind of good. Okay. Boom, boom. I know that I want to have a lot of percussion, or at least a decent amount of percussion in here. So let's keep going. And then we can just copy and paste this entire thing over to the second section. Maybe a different hat now. So let me bring in an instance of sample 1. And for this one, we could do hi-hats, sample 1. Woo! All right, so here, let me see if I can add more of percussion elements. Maybe like a shaker. I don't know, we'll see. This one might be good. Maybe if we chop it up a little bit so it doesn't take up the entire pocket. Ooh, that's it right there. Just that little gap. I'm sure you guys understand, but like that feeling you get whenever you're in the studio and you're in flow and you're just making dope stuff, or at least that's stuff that's dope to you. I might want to come back to the drums a little bit later just to add some more like, maybe like a clave. Maybe I can add that now. It's funny because clave in Spanish means password. Maybe this is the key. Yes, absolutely yes. Okay, that's a little loud. Hold on there. Hold on, partner. Hold on. Trying to blow my ears off. Right there. That's an interesting spot, but it kind of works. It's like I'm the upbeat. I kind of like it there. It's not intrusive. It still leaves some of that room. I don't know. Knowing me, I might change it later. But for now, let's keep moving. Let's go back up to the melody. Hey there, before we continue with this beat, I wanted to take a minute and thank the sponsor for this video, DistroKid. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, this year I am challenging myself to put out one beat EP a month to all streaming platforms, and the way that I've been doing it is with DistroKid. DistroKid is a digital distributor, and with plans starting at $20 a year for unlimited uploads, it is by far the easiest and most affordable way to release your music to all streaming platforms. Not only that, but the number of features included with your subscription make this well worth the cost. For example, once you release your music, they make it super easy to get verified on places like Spotify. Not only that, but they also make it really easy to promote your music. One of my favorite features is one called promo cards, which basically allows you to create these vertical cards that you can then share to social media to promote your latest release. If you're looking to release your own music, maybe say your own beat tapes, then click the first link in the description to get 7% off your first year. Thank you to DistroKid for sponsoring this video, and now let's get back to the music. Let's go back over to, what if we bring in like a Mellotron? That should be cool. Let's duplicate this pattern, hit an option on my Mac, bring it over. That's kind of cool. Let's bring this down. Let me bring in now, let's see. Let's go back to Arturia. We're kind of stuck on here, man. Let's bring in that Prophet. See what we can do with this Prophet. This is exactly the bass I was looking for. Jeez. All right, so one of the common problems that I often run across is I'm not like a music theory virtuoso. I did study like music theory in middle school and what have you, and I do know the basics of it. But sometimes, specifically with like the piano that I'm not trained in, that was not one of my first instruments, I'll know my way around different chord structures and shapes, and I'll just play, you know, but sometimes I just don't know what I'm playing. So a good way to mitigate this is if you ever play something and you just don't know what it is, if you have Scalar 2, bring it up to Scalar 2, and then from here you can use the detect feature. So let me go ahead and just detect that, hit the record button, and let's play it. E flat major 7, G minor 7, okay. Cool. So then from here, I can take the root note, the bass note, and then that's how I'm gonna make my bass. So let's do that. So from here, I do think I want to add a longer bass just to kind of keep that low end. Oh, there we go. Honestly, I think we're done. Obviously, I still need to arrange it and finish mixing it and, you know, kind of add little transitions here and there to make it special. But for the sake of this video, we have the foundation set and I'm pretty happy with it. Take a listen. But there you have it, that is the beat. As mentioned, this one will go on my next beat EP, which is yet to be named. But if you want all kinds of updates on that, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Once again, thank you to DistroKid for sponsoring this video. I'll be leaving that link down below in case you want to get 7% off your first year. But as always, like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you're not already, but I'll see you on the next one.